In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get my Etsy shop URL. Your shop URL is the direct link you can share with customers, add to your social profiles, and include in emails or marketing materials so people can find your storefront instantly. Start by opening your web browser and going to Etsy.com. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns your shop. If you use more than one Etsy account, double-check that you're in the right one before moving on. On desktop, you'll see your profile icon in the top right corner. On mobile or the Etsy app, it's usually in the bottom navigation. From there, go to Shop Manager. This takes you to your seller dashboard, which is the control center for everything related to your shop. Once the Shop Manager loads, look near the top area of the dashboard where your shop's name appears. Directly below your shop name, you'll see a link. That link is your public shop URL. It often looks like Etsy.com shop, your shop name. This is the version you want to share with buyers because it points straight to your storefront and not to any internal management pages. If you see extra characters at the end of the link like tracking codes or question marks, it's best to use the clean version that shows just the shop path. To copy the link on desktop, you can right-click it and choose Copy Link Address, or click to open your shop and then copy the URL from your browser's address bar. On mobile, tap and hold the link to copy it, or open your shop and use your device's copy function from the address bar. A quick tip: paste the link into a note or message and open it in a private or incognito window to confirm it loads your shop the same way a buyer would see it. If your shop is brand new or you've recently changed your shop name, the URL should update automatically, but it's a good idea to check that the link matches what you expect. Save this URL somewhere easy to find, and consider adding it to your social media bios, email signature, and any marketing posts so customers can get to your shop in one click. That's all you need to do. Go to Etsy, open Shop Manager, find your shop name, and copy the link shown right beneath it. With your shop URL in hand, you're ready to start sharing and bring more traffic directly to your storefront. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.